Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my digital portfolio when I graduated in 2018. This portfolio represents a spring-summer collection for hijabi women. So this is the front cover. The first page, it's about the concept I used in this collection, where I talked about my inspiration and why I chose the modest fashion. Moving on to the next page, which is like the content of the portfolio. Next, you find here the mood board who inspire me to make the collection and the color range I use it. So here my inspiration is the precious stones and semi-precious stones. Next page you find the print development. I talked about the composition of a stone and what you can see through it. Next, the conceptual design. As you can see, I try to apply the composition of stones in some designs. Here I used Photoshop. You can see also the colors of this collection. Then this is my collection plan, where you can see a flat sketch of each piece. I drew it using Illustrator. Next, the finals designs. Here you can see the sketch. I drew it with watercolor, then I scanned and put it in the portfolio with his technical drawing and colors used. Here the same thing for all the outfits. I picked this pink jumpsuit and blazer to make it. Next, here we have accessory. I took a watch and I wrapped it with crepe fabric and decorated with crystal beads to fit my garment. And then samples of fabrics and supplies, I can use it in this collection. Next page, the photo shoot I did of the outfit. And finally, all the details of the outfit, the stitches, the beads, and so on. I hope you enjoyed my portfolio. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and comment below. See you soon. Bye.